It all started like any other summer afternoon, the kind, the water's calm, the air's warm, music's playing softly in the background, and I'm just soaking up the sun, doing absolutely nothing exactly the way I like it. But then something weird happened. As I leaned over the edge of the pool, I felt something slide off my finger, and then plop, just like that, it was gone. A ring. Not just any ring. This one actually meant something, a gift, a memory, a story. I froze, then immediately dove in after it, not thinking, just reacting. The pool looked clear from the surface, but once you're down there, it's a different story. The bottom was darker than I remembered, debris, reflections, and zero sign of the ring. I came up for air, then went back down again and again. Still nothing. As I walked around the pool trying to get a better angle, I noticed something else. The pool wasn't exactly clean. Leaves, dirt, even some sand left over from winter. It definitely needed a good cleaning before swim season kicks in, and that's when I remembered a box had just arrived a few days ago. Well, more like a little machine, one I didn't expect to rely on today, but one that might just work. The Aiper Scuba X1, a pool cleaning robot. Cordless, autonomous, silent, precise. I figured, okay, it's not a treasure hunter, but it knows how to find stuff, right? I brought it out, dropped it gently into the water, and watched it descend like a tiny submarine on a mission. At first, it hovered, then it started moving, not randomly. Strategically, it rolled across the floor with quiet confidence, brushed the tiles, shifted directions, climbed up walls, and I just stood there, completely mesmerized. It was almost peaceful to watch. But at the same time, I was tense. Would it work? Could it actually help? Or was I just wasting time while my ring sat buried in the dirt? I let it run and waited minute by minute. It covered every square inch of that pool, like it had a plan, like it knew something I didn't. Let's be honest. Cleaning your pool is the least fun part of owning one. I used to spend hours every week switching between skimmers, vacuums, and brushes. That's time I'll never get back. But recently, I tried something that changed the game. The Aiper Scuba X1, this little beast is powerful. With 6,600 gallons per hour suction and dual jets, it doesn't just glide around, it scrubs. 4 rugged PVC roller brushes tackle dirt, grime, and algae on the floor, walls, and even the waterline. It's oddly satisfying watching it lift all that gunk in real time. What really impressed me is the smart navigation. Thanks to WavePath 3.0 and those D to F sensors, it maps the pool like it's running a mission. No random zigzagging or getting stuck on stairs. And the filtration, incredible. The micromesh ultra fine filter picks up stuff you didn't even know was in your pool. It's the first time I've seen this level of debris removal from a robot this size. There are 5 modes: floor, wall, waterline, auto, and eco, so you're always in control. And if you want to get really fancy, you can pair it with the Hydrocom Pro module. That gives you real-time water quality monitoring, app control, and even a one-click retrieval system. Yeah, it swims back to you. For me, it's a no-brainer. No more manual scrubbing, no more wasted weekends, and definitely no more overpriced pool services. The Aiper Scuba X1 isn't just a cleaner, it's peace of mind. Clean higher, shine brighter. And then it stopped. No alarm, no lights, just quiet. I walked over, pulled the robot out of the water, flipped it open. Leaves, debris, a few bugs, and right there, tucked into the corner of the tray, something metallic. Shiny. My ring. Somehow it found it. The one thing I needed most, retrieved by a robot that wasn't even meant for it. I cleaned the ring off, slipped it back on my finger, and just stood there in disbelief. Now the pool's spotless, the ring is safe. Maybe next time I'll drop a coin in there, just to see if it brings it back too. Or maybe I'll let it go find Atlantis, because at this point, I wouldn't be surprised if it could.